Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 GL450 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 bi-turbo with 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque. This one does have the accessory chrome package with chrome inserts on the hood and chrome door handle inserts, brushed aluminum running boards, 19-inch 5-spoke alloys, black MB text interior, panorama sunroof, trailer hitch, GL450 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, fold down third row seats, all season floor mats and regular, blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, and anthracite black poplar wood trim, memory seats, power windows, illuminated door sills, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, parking assistance package with a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, heated and cooled cup holders, turn wheel for our infotainment center. This GL450 has 61,099 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GL450 4MATIC, check out feldmannimports.com.